你好, hi everyone, welcome back to the course. Today we're gonna start lesson 3, where I'll talk about the 3 clipped consonants and the 2 syllabic consonants. So you might recognize these 3 consonants from the last lesson. The P should be pronounced as P, the T should be pronounced as T, and the K should be pronounced as K. However, when they are put at the end of a word, P, T, and K, they become clipped consonants. So what do I mean by clipped consonants? Let me show you an example. When P is put at the end of the word, such as the word sup, the normal English way to pronounce it might be sup. However, in Cantonese, we don't pronounce the P sound. We pronounce the word normally, except the fact that we don't pronounce the last bit. So, in English, you must say, hey, what's up? Sup. That is very similar to Cantonese. You don't actually say, hey, what's up? What's up? So remember, when you see a P at the end of the word, you don't pronounce the P. Similarly, the consonant T, when put at the end of a word, we don't pronounce the T sound. In English, when we see the word hat, we pronounce the T sound. However, the Cantonese way of pronouncing it would be het, het, het. Again, you pronounce the whole word normally, except for the last bit. The last clipped consonant K has the same principle. For example, in the English word jack, the Cantonese way of pronouncing it would be jack, jack, jack. We don't pronounce the K sound. So that might be the reason why a lot of people who has a Cantonese accent, when they are speaking English, they often omit the last bit of the word. So you might find it slightly harder for you to listen to. So again, in P, we would pronounce it as sup, sup, without the P sound. In T, we would pronounce it as het, het, without the T sound. Finally, with the consonant K, the Cantonese way of pronouncing jack would be jack, jack, without the last K sound. Okay, next up, we're gonna talk about the 2 syllabic consonants. The first consonant is pronounced as as in the English word hum, like you're thinking. The second syllabic consonant is pronounced as as in long, long. These 2 consonants are special, as in that they don't need a vowel to become a word. They can actually become words on their own. Okay, so that brings us to the end of lesson 3, where we talked about the 3 clipped consonants and the 2 syllabic consonants. See you next time. Bye bye.